Malari.
Welcome to Ask Aunty.
Mm-hmm.
Aunty Munya, could you please explain to us gender from a First Nations perspective?
Yeah, well, gender is a very interesting concept, Carla. It's interesting that English has only two genders in its language, whereas other world languages, including Aboriginal languages, have three or more genders. It's interesting that in Gerbil, a Queensland language, that there are four genders, one of which is the vegetable class, which led one sociolinguist to remark that they're remarkable genders.
Wow. And what about terms like brother boy and sister girl?
Men who are transitioning into a female gender identity will call themselves sister girls, and women who do the same, who are transitioning to a male gender, will call themselves brother boys. So you have sister girls and brother boys. They're Aboriginal English terms that have been around for a long time to describe this diversity.
Wow, and what about the terms men's business and women's business?
Yeah, so men's business refers to things to do with men and all matters to do with them, and the same with women's business is everything to do with women and their business, particularly around health issues. We have men's business and women's business in the community.
And men's sites and women's sites as well.
That's right. Translates to that country as well.
Yeah. Thank you, and Ask Aunty.
Ask Aunty.